Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola One. In this video I'll show you how to enter File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to Files app. And as you can see, File Manager is divided between three sections: Clean, Browse and Share. In Clean, you can clean your smartphone from junk files. In Browse, you can browse your internal storage in smartphone by going to sections Downloads, Images, Videos, Audio, Documents and Others, Apps, Favorites, Saved Folder, and Internal Storage with every folder your smartphone has. In Share, you can send and receive files by Nearby Share. Also, you can go to Menu. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.